Good morning, friend. We are discussing about the Vision IS 5 question. Let us discuss the first question. First question related to the politics section. We are asking about the Special Officer for Linguistic Minority. Consider the following statement regarding him. Number first statement regarding him is that it has been appointed in the Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. It means that is the constitutional and the fundamental right of every minority that they should have a linguistic officer there. Number second, it can investigate all matter that only relating to the safeguard provided for the linguistic minority under the Constitution. So it is that all matter only relating to the safeguard provided for the linguistic minority under the Constitution of India. So you should keep in mind that there is a all matter that is only relating to the safeguard the linguistic minority. It means that it could not take the other work or the other body work to safeguard other interest other than the linguistic interest of the community. The option in front of you are first and second, either one, neither two. Let's see the question, and I repeat the same question. With reference to the special officer for linguistic minority, consider the following statement. Number first, it has been appointed under the Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. It can investigate all matter only relating to the safeguard provided for the linguistic minority in the Constitution of India. And the option in front of you are first and second, neither one, neither two. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the consider the following pair and type of desert that they are found and the feature relating to him. Number first, the Hamda. Hamda, that is GC Leon, that is very comprehensively and very inexplicable form that are found. Number first, the Hamda. Hamda is a large stretch of the undulating sand dune. Is it? Number second, rag. Rag is nothing but extensive sheet of the angular pebble and gravels. Number third, large stretches of the bare rock. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option, and the option in front of your first, second. I again repeat the question. Type of desert that are found and the feature that are associated with this type of desert, because desert are of various type in which the where high wind speed are found. There is a type of a sand dune structure type of found. First thing. Number second, dry desert are found because of the low humidity and the brittleness that are found in the original structure of the lithosphere there, that is found there. Third type of desert because of the rainfall that is created. Number fourth is the type of stretches of the large bare rocks, for example in the Saudi Arabia region, that is found, and is right reason because the topographic and the mountainous structure that are found there. Let's see the things there. I again repeat the question and the features of the desert. Number first, the Hamda, large stretches of the undulating sand dune. Number second is the rag, extensive sheets of the angular pebbles and the gravel. Number third is the erg, the large stretches of bare rock. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the Kali age. Kali, with reference to the Kali age, what is meant by the Varna Shankara? So you have to choose the again correct option. And what do you mean by the Varna Shankara? At the reference, if we are talking about the Kali age. Number first, the conflict between the upper and lower Varnas. Second is the duties assigned to different Varnas. Number third is ritual that is performed during the marriage and the birth of the son. Number fourth is the intermixing of the Varnas. Varna, you know very well, Varna is nothing but a type of arrangement of the stratification of the people because of the any of the reason of the because of the color of the person basically. And there is a story regarding the origin of the Varnas. For example, the great man is nothing but a Brahma. Brahma's mouth is manifested in the Brahmins, and shoulder in the Kshatriyas, and the thigh in the Vaishyas, and the foot reason is the regarding the manifestation of the Shudras. Foot and Shudras are basically proportionally and congruently can be used. Okay. First statement again, Kali age, that is meant by the Varna Shankara. Number first, the conflict between upper and lower Varna. Upper and lower Varna I know very well. You know very well. That is the Brahmin, that is the Kshatriya, that is the Vaishya, that is the Shudra, that is the highest category there. And the rivalry between the conflict between the upper and the lower Varna. Next is the duties assigned to different Varna, ritual that is performing during the marriage and the birth of the son. Number fourth is the intermixing of the son. Let's see the intermixing of the Varnas. Let's see the next question. Next question is regarding the Gandhi impact, and in 2020 examination of the UPSC that is already asked. Number first, it is proposed to release only those political prisoners who were not convicted for the violence. So it means that the prisoner that has convicted because of the violence that are excluded from this treaty or this pact. Number second, it guaranteed the right to make salt to the people in the coastal area for only personal consumption. It means that they could not trade in that salt. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option, and option are very easy. Let's see the things. Again, repeat the question for the you people. Consider the following statement regarding the reference to the Gandhi Revenge Pact. Number first, it proposed to release only those political prisoners who are not convicted for the violence. Number second, it granted the right to make salt to the people in coastal village for only the personal consumption. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the consider the following pairs and the national park that are found in the various stage, and various geography and the topography and the features of that geography can be asked many times, and the type of a question that are asked by the UPSC is nothing like that is given, but the following rivers can have passed the topography of that region. What is the reason behind that the same topography is found there? So that is the linkage between the various subject and the static GK, and that the way the trending of the UPSC that they are asking the question. Okay, let's see the national park. The national park is Bandhavgarh National Park that are found in, is it found in the Madhya Pradesh? Next, the Dudhwa that is found, is it found in the Assam, Rachigam, Sikkim, and Tadoba, and Maharashtra. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option, and option in front of you, first and third, first and fourth, second and fourth, and second and third. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next pair, national park and the state that is associated with it. Number first is Bandhwa National Park, that is Madhya Pradesh, Dudhwa Assam, Rachigam Sikkim, and Tadoba in Maharashtra. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Basically, it is the answer to the first question. Okay, for example, with reference to the Special Office for Linguistic Humanity, consider the following statement. Number first, it has been provided in the part 3 of the Indian Constitution. No, that is not the part, but 350 of the Indian Constitution that is added after amendment of the 350. Let's see the thing. So first is not correct, second is correct. Investigate all matter that is related to the linguistic humanity, but only to the linguistic humanity that is not interfered by the other people, because the check and balance and the separation power between the various bodies that are found as per the Constitution and the theme of the democracy there. So second is correct basically. Let's see the origin. The Constitution did not make any provision with respect to the special officer for the linguistic minority, but because of the State Reorganization Commission of 1953 to 1955 made recommendation in this regard, according to the 7th Constitution Amendment of the 1956, inserted a new article of the 350B. I'm really sorry, I say 350, no, that is the 350B in the part 17 of the Indian Constitution. That first statement is not correct, and it is after the 1953, after the reorganization of the state that are found. Next is this article containing the following provision. There should be a special office for linguistic minority. He is appointed by the President of India. Second, it would be the duty of the special office to investigate all matter only relating to the safeguard provided for the linguistic minority in the Constitution. He would report to the President only those matters that is interval that the President may direct. So it is the case there, and it is the foundation and the pleasure of the pleasure of the President that they are dependent upon. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the geography section. You can correlate it with the very easily. So the type of desert is found. Rag is only correct है यहाँ पे. Rag is a type of extensive series of angular pebbles and gravels that are found in that area. Erg is nothing but a large stretch of undulating sand dune, and Hamda is large stretch of bare rocks. Let's see the explanation there. First is not correct because Hamda is a rocky desert, and that is consists of a large stretch of the bare rocks and swept clear sand and dust by wind. These exposed rocks are through smooth and polished because of the sand and because of the windy type of a nature, and the abrasion because of the winds around these pebbles, and because of these things they are exposed to the smoothed and polished because of the wind there that is found. And the gravels is the reason is a bare and sterile. Second is correct because the Rag or a stony desert that is the composed extensive sheets of the angular pebbles and gravel which is the wind are not able to blow off. In Libya and Egypt the term serir is used. Elsewhere in Africa stony desert are called rag. Third is not correct because erg are sandy desert. This is the area or the sea of land which typifies the popular idea of the desert scenery. Wind deposit vast stretches of the undulating sand dune in the heart of the desert are found there. Let's see the next question. Next question is nothing but related to the Varna Shankara, that is the intermixing of the Varna, that is the Varna Shankara in the Kali age. So that is the intermixing of the Varna. Let's see, the Kali mean the neglect of the ritual and the predominance and the influence of the heretical sects and also the foreign and the non-Brahmanical roots that are found in the history of India during the Vedic and after the Vedic period basically. Let us to say that the Kali age, that the Vaishya and Shudras not only flouted the rules of the marriage but also refused to abide by the injunction of the Dharma Shastra. Kali age is categorized by the Varna Shankara, that is the intermixing of the Varna of the social order that are changes because of technological development. This is associated with the crisis in the society. Vaishya and Shudras either refuse to perform producing the function assigned to them or else refuse to pay tax and offer their labor. So that is the type of the flouting of the rules that are basically made for the Vaishya and the Shudra, but because of these things is not doing and not welling off, that is the chaos found in the society, and because the marriage rule and because the rigidity basically that they are tied to flouting it out. Let's see the Gandhi impact. I think Both are correct. It provides to release only those political parties or the prisoner who have not convicted for the violence. It guarantees the right to make salt to the people for the purpose of the personal consumption itself. So first and second is the correct. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact of 1931 terms of the agreement included the immediate release of all political prisoners not convicted for the violence, the remission of all fines not yet collected, the return of the confiscated lands not yet sold to the third party, and lenient treatment for those government employees who had resigned. So second also be not correct because the government also considers the right to make salt for the consumption to the village along with the coast, has also the right to peaceful and non-aggressive picketing upon this demand for the public inquiry, and the police success was not accepted. So that is the case there, and because of this type of pressure, because of the national INC, or you can say the Congress, that is found at a point of time, and flouting of the rules. So first and fourth are correct basically. National park and the state that they are I think C is the correct option. Yes, first and fourth are correct. Yes, Bandhavgarh is found in Madhya Pradesh, Dudhwa I think in UP, Dashikam in Jammu and Kashmir, and Tadoba in Maharashtra. So first and fourth. Let's see the explanation there. Bandhavgarh National Park is created in 1986 and that are found in Madhya Pradesh region. Next is the Dudhwa National Park, and that are found located in the Khampur Khed district of Uttar Pradesh. That national park sport a wide range of wild animal including deer, introduced one rhino and swamp deer basically, and it has contained 49,000 that are area there. Next is Dachigam, that Dachigam Jammu and Kashmir in 1981. Stag and Hangul are two important fauna that are found there. Next is the Tadoba National Park located in the Chandrapur district of Maharashtra, state of India. The national park was notified in 1955, and I think the earliest found of the national park at that point of time. Let's see the D vision, India's new foreign policy, trade policy basically, how we can go with the trade, that is 2021 to 2025. Let's see why it is in news. Foreign trade policy of 2015 to 2020 and the foreign trade policy of the 2021 to 2025. Okay, first came into effect in 1st April 2015, and that is made by the government itself, and that is started from 31st March 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. That is extended, right? India registered trade surplus of the 13.59 billion between these types. That is not so important. You just know the trade, and that is increasing. That is that thing there. The current FTP focuses on improving trade market shape in existing market and products as well, exporting new products and new market, that is exporting of the high value added product where India has a strong domestic manufacturing base including engineering goods, electronic, drugs and pharmaceutical, textile and agriculture products, export from MSME and a labor intensive sector there. DOC also has been मतलब क्या है document of DOC really sought to see Okay, DOC has also sought to stay active partner in export. As a consequence, state government are now actively developing export strategies so that they can strengthen their respective sector. Whatever, for example, various countries or the various state of India, we can say that in a more particular way that they have a much more high proficiency. For example, the Dhanbad region of the Jharkhand where they can found the coal sector, they can emerge. For example, Dhanbad itself has the proper cave or the proper headquarter of and the proper reserve of the coal and uranium and diamond that is found there. Next, if you are talking about the Gujarat, the shipping industry that can be flourished there. For example, in Kerala, spices that has much more higher potential to go with the natural way and with the sustainable basically with the environment. It is a quite important role, and it is the main theme here. Whatever the state and the local area that has much more proficiency in exploiting one type of resources in a very sustainable way, in a very natural way, so that is quite important for them to run away these things. Need to address the constraint, the infrastructure bottleneck high. So these type of the bottleneck that are providing, and this create the hurdle there. For example, infrastructure bottleneck, high transaction cost, complex procedure, constraint in manufacturing, and inadequate diversification of India's service position there. Let's see the whole policy there, that India's new foreign trade policy. See, remember the fact that there is a foreign policy, but that is regarding the trade basically. Will come into the first April 2020 for the period of 5 years. Foreign trade policy of India is notified by the central government, and it has their power conferred on the Foreign Trade Development Regulation Act of 1992 that is enacted in the year 1992. The Department of Commerce (DOC) And the Minister of Commerce and Industry formulated the implementation monitor the Indian foreign trade policy, which brought the basic framework so that we can go up with the framework or the strategy so that we can promote export and import and trade of the country. New FTP 2021 to 20 will strive to achieve the target as envisaged to make India USD 5 trillion economy and leading paper in the paper of the international trade. So that is quite important. District export hub is the making and the initiative that is important feature of the FTP so that we can mobilize potential of each district. I already talked about at the decentralization level where the available resources at that point of time at that geography that are found there that can be mobilized, that can be exploited in a better way so that they can, and that should be harmonized with the sustainable development of, with the environment, and that is the things that we should be incorporated to the type of a factor that is the sustainable development at the first time in foreign trade policy that it enacted in 1992. Let's see the news there. News today of the 20th Jan. Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology, AWS, to establish quantum computing lab, application lab basically. So that's what is the news. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, a panel suggested creation of the small limited liability partnership. Next is the vaccine hesitancy among health worker and COVID bug mar COVID-19 vaccination drive. Next is the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, released the list of the domestic systematically important banks, DSEB. So let's see the division part of the other thing, that is the Subhash Chandra Bose birthday anniversary to be celebrated at Parakram Divas, that is started on 23rd January basically. The Minister of Culture, Government of India, 23rd January, the birth anniversary of the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to be celebrated at Parakram Divas, that is the Day of Courage every year, that is they are starting, and that is the 125th birth anniversary of the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Parakram Divas will be celebrated at the national and international level to honor Netaji's indomitable spirit and selfless service to the nation, to inspire the youth, not only the youth but themselves, to act with the fortitude in the face of the adversity as Netaji did, and infuse the spirit of the patriotic fervor in the population there. India's Railway renamed Gorakha Kalka Rail as the Netaji Express ahead of the Netaji 125th birth anniversary celebration. Next is the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Let's see how their life would be and the inspiring life. Let's see the discussion. Born in 1987, Cuttack at Odisha, then provided of Bengal. Then Subhash Chandra Bose, popularly known as Netaji, was selected for the Indian Civil Services but refused to take up service and become one of the most influential freedom fighter with extraordinary leadership skills. See, whenever the civil services examination is coming, every important leader at that point of time is whether be the preparing for it or they are holding the position in them, because of the awareness, because of the services created and the reading so much so high that we have able to see what is right and what is wrong in a much more comprehensive and detailed way, and how these ministry, how these administration are functioning, we know very well. So because of these things we know the lacuna that are providing because of these things. Next is his famous slogan, तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा, जय हिंद एंड दिल्ली चलो. These are the slogan that is given by him, and that is important for the fervor to incite into the people and the young mind there. Known for his militant approach, he raised the first Indian National Army, that is in 1943, outside India, that inspired thousands of Indian youth to join the freedom movement and paved the way for the India's independence from the British colonial India. Okay, that is there. So I think just a minute. I'm really sorry for whatever this. Let's see the Minister of Culture, Government of India. Now 23rd, the Parakram, I already discussed it about, no? Yes. Okay, let's see the things there. Okay. Daily vocab. Number first word is the burnish. Burnish is nothing but a type of a shining and brightening thing, polish up in the thing, and it is the chamakna. Antonym is nothing but a type of a dull. Example is to burnish copper, I would probably use a drill with a pad attached to the end. So that is the thing. Next is the diplomatic, is nothing but a tactful, sensitive and subtle. It is very easy word basically. Next the abatement is nothing but a type of subsidizing and a new trend that is found, that is abatement. Nunikaran is nothing but a subsidizing, lessening and decreasing, that is a nunikaran, that is the lesson, that is the abatement. Next the ameliorate. Ameliorate is nothing but a type of improvement that are seen in the people, better, enhancing. Let's see the next word is the ameliorate, is nothing but improve, better, enhance, and the example is step have been taken to ameliorate. Next is the formidable, intimidating, forbidden and redoubtable. His opponent was certainly a formidable one. Next the endure. Endure is nothing but live on, fade. Next is the embodel. Embodel is nothing but encouraging the thing, strengthening. Next, slam, hit, strike, ram. The car mounted the pavement, slamming into a lamp post. Next is the bleak. Bleak is nothing but a not a good bleak future. Basically, we used it whether the in the future there is the less opportunity they were found, so we can say that the bleak future. If the opportunity is very high, then we can take it as a warm or a good future and the bright future. Basically, unleash, you can say, free and loosen the thing they dig up the Baghdad. Okay, let's see the moribund. I already talked about these things, explaining death. And next, the underline is like adhar hona. Vehement is nothing but a type of passionate that are found. Thrift is nothing but a type of prudence. Okay, rescind, revoke, repeal, cancel. Dread is nothing but a fear. Bridge, join. Disparate is nothing different. Next is the torture, dher mud karna. Next is the opacity is found. Next is the word idiom with the Hindi meaning. Let's say, first catch you hire, mind your own business. पहले अपना देखो तब दूसरे को बोलो. Find, first catch your hire, mind your own business. So next the red-handed. तो रंगे हाथ रमेश was caught red-handed. Next the to take bread out of the sap's mouth. It means that if government cannot give us employment, then don't have right to take bread out of our mouth. So that is the thing. The story made my heart bleed. So the very high empathetical value that people has carried many times. Okay, next is the first catch. Okay, I already talked about acting done in his head. Bag of bones is nothing but a हड्डियों का ढांचा. Why don't you eat something? You are not more than a bag of bones. Grey market, चोर बाजार. He brought a mobile phone from the grey market and got cocked by people. Talk shop, at the mercy of the God. भगवान की दया पर. The patient is really in a very bad condition, so he has at the mercy of the God. There is no help for it. अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Modest, शालीन. In vain, व्यर्थ. I am not born yesterday. मुझे पता है. To get up Seb's nose, नाक में दम करना. Any fool can answer. So the question is so easy that any fool can answer it. The foot, the hill, the खर्च उठाना. You have to be foot the bill. I come to meet you after all. Bad hair day, मनहूस दिन. Heartening the thing. People got upset many times. Okay, play the ape, अजीब व्यवहार करना. To beat the air, so व्यर्थ मेहनत करना. Next, accept unpleasant fact अपनाना. He makes my blood boil, खून खोलना. Hollow promise, खोल ले. रोज बेरपत पर दक्ष to kick somebody in the teeth, बहुत नुकसान करना. Fair with then fall without, मुँह पे कुछ और पी के. These are the minor problem. बस कुछ देर की बात है. To give somebody long rope, ज़्यादा दूर देना, ज़्यादा छूट देना. To give somebody long rope, to bold, to blow hard, बड़ी बड़ी बातें करना. So it is there. Let's see the next thing. Okay, we have already discussed about the NHRC, SHRC in the earlier session. Let's see the CIC and SIC is nothing but a competition. नहीं CIC I think see here CIC not more than 10 members is found that are appointed by the president and the panel that they are appointed and nominated as the prime minister, leader of opposition and the minister. The service condition is 3 or 65 years. So do remember the fact, and the term condition is specified by the central government and renewal is done by the president. The central government is the report submission is done through the central government and reappointment is not eligible and they have power to the civil courts. SIC for example, so they also not have much more than member of the 10 that they are appointed by the governor. Same selection panel is found there, 3 or 65 year of age that they are featuring it out or giving their services. They are the central government has provided the service condition there and done by the governor there, and the state report submission is done through central government. Appointment is not re-eligible or not eligible basically. So that is the case with the SIC or CIC, that is the Competition Commission of India.